If you hear a grinding noise, snap or pop sound while extending or retracting your slide out, it could be a sign of damage or broken cables. Perform a visual inspection of all 8 cables, checking for signs of wear, fraying, corrosion, and other visible damage. This is a mechanical issue that may require immediate attention from a qualified technician to prevent further damage. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to properly replace a broken slide-out cable. We'll start by removing the inner wall frame support bracket. This bracket must be taken out to gain access to the cable pulleys. Next, we'll level the slide. This step is important because it ensures the new cable can be installed correctly and allows for precise adjustments once the replacement is complete. Now it is time to remove the damaged cable. In this case, it was lodged and took some effort to free. Make sure to use the right tools and take your time to avoid damaging any nearby components or injuring yourself during the process. With the damaged cable removed, we're now ready to install the replacement and make necessary adjustments.
This grommet here to prevent it from coming out. So now, no matter what we do inside, this is stuck.
Gotcha.
Get it? And then I guess you would catch it on the other end going in.
I see it. Hold up. Okay, push a little. Right there. Stop. Stop. Alright, we're through. Alright, there you go. Alright, now push. Damn it. I just gotta pull this through. Alright, we're through.
It'll become clear as mud. Alright. So we'll do this to where it's tight. Take out all the slack. And then what I want to kind of close that like that. And then mark it. Both. Got these 2 spots right there. That'll be that spot.
If your slide-out system shows signs of cable failure, it is important to have the work repair done correctly. We always recommend having this type of work performed by a qualified RV technician. If you're located in the Phoenix, West Valley area, feel free to contact Vision Mobile RV Repair. We'll bring our quality RV repair services to you.